In this video, we will show you how to style gravity form radio input boxes without any coding. We have plenty of easy to use add-ons for gravity forms that lets you style these radio input boxes. Let's dive in. For this, go to Forms, Booster, and select the form of which you want to change the radio option labels. First up, we have the Checkbox and Radio Styler add-on for Gravity Booster. This tool gives you endless design and customization options for your radio input boxes. Here's what you can do with it. Divide radio option into 2, 3, 4 or 5 column layouts. Use font awesome icons inside radio input boxes. Convert radio inputs to buttons. Change the shape of radio input boxes to curve or round. Adjust the checked style to fill or thick. Set the unchecked radio input color to any color you like. Change the checked color of the radio input box to any color. Add animations when the radio input boxes are checked with options like Smooth, Tada, Jelly, Rotate and Pulse. Another fantastic option is the Material Design add-on. Once you enable this add-on on your form, it automatically changes the radio inputs to a modern and sleek design. The new design shows a shadow around the input boxes when clicked and has a thick circular dot to indicate that the option is checked. The color of this stylish radio input box can also be customized. Next is Gravity Form's Bootstrap Design add-on. If you prefer a bootstrap look, we have got you covered with the Bootstrap Design add-on. This add-on changes the design of all form fields, including radio inputs, and adds a highlight around the radio input box when clicked. To show that the input is checked, it adds a thick ring-shaped design around the radio input box, which you can color using the color picker control. Now that we have covered how to style the radio input boxes, let's talk about styling the radio option labels. Go to the Styler panel, then select the radio section. In the radio section, you can adjust settings like width. It controls how wide the labels can be. Font style. Make the labels bold, italic, underline or uppercase. Font size. Increase the size of the font option labels. Line height. Add space between options if they are too close. Font color. Use the color picker to set the label color. Padding. Add space around the labels with the option to adjust top, right, bottom and left padding separately. Once you are happy with your design changes, click the Save button. There you have it. By following these steps and using these add-ons, you can easily style and customize gravity form radio input boxes and labels to match your website's theme. No coding required. Happy designing!